an Iraqi tank commander in February 1991, there was one sound you absolutely did not want to hear. Not an explosion, not an incoming missile, just a sound. A deep, mechanical grinding from somewhere in the sky above you. Like a very large, very angry machine chewing through something it shouldn't be chewing through. By the time you figured out where it was coming from, it was already too late. That sound was the GAU-8 Avenger cannon, 7 rotating barrels, 30mm shells the size of your forearm, depleted uranium cores that don't just punch through tank armor, they shatter, ignite, and turn everything inside the tank into fire. And the plane carrying that gun was the ugliest, slowest, most ridiculed aircraft in the entire United States Air Force. The one nobody wanted. The one the generals tried to kill before it ever flew a combat mission. The one Congress saved at the last minute, over and over again, because the guys actually fighting on the ground refused to go to war without it. This is the story of the A-10 Warthog, the plane that lost every argument in Washington and won every battle it was sent to. To really understand the Warthog, you have to go back about 80 years, back to World War II, back to a plane that had almost the exact same reputation: too big, too heavy, too ugly, not glamorous enough for the fighter pilots who wanted fast and sleek and supersonic. It was called the P-47 Thunderbolt, and just like its descendant, everyone who actually flew into combat loved it, even if the brass back home didn't quite know what to do with it. The P-47 was enormous by the standards of its day. 7 tons of aircraft, an air-cooled radial engine so big it looked like it could eat a Spitfire for breakfast, and 8 50 caliber machine guns that could put 100 rounds per second through anything unfortunate enough to be in front of them. British pilots who first flew it joked that a Thunderbolt pilot could run and hide inside his own fuselage if a Luftwaffe fighter came after him. The P-47 was not a beautiful plane. It was nicknamed the Jug, short for Juggernaut, and it earned that name every single day it flew over Europe. But here's the thing about the P-47 that matters for our story today. It was unbelievably hard to kill.